Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, August the 16th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we will be updating for you the chart of the Bitcoin. This is 60 minutes chart of Bitcoin. And now the Bitcoin has been selling off this week, and the structure of the decline here, it looks to be impulsive. The structure, right? It's not like overlapping. It looks to be quite impulsive. So you can see right here, since it tops out at 12,336, it's been declining, and we are calling this as a 1-2. And then now this is your 3 with 3, and then now we are in the with 4 bounce. And as far as the bounce fails below here, we could see one more leg lower in the wave 5 to finish a 5 ways down from this peak on the 26th from 6th of August. All right. Now you can see subdivision of the wave 2 is in a flat, subdivision of the wave 3 is in a 5 waves as well in a lesser degree. All right. So the red is the minor, and this black is a minute degree. And then the blue is the minuet, and the red is the sub minuet. So you can see all of them subdivided nicely into 5 waves. This is usually what they call the fractal nature of Elliott wave. So now if we look at the larger degree, we zoom out, taking a look now at the 4 hour. Okay, so this is a partial label right here. We can see this X here in the black is the same X we saw earlier in the 1 hour chart here at 12,336 right here. Now if this is labeled as an X, that means somewhere along this bigger time frame there should be a W, and this is your W. So what this is calling then is the idea that the decline that started from June 26, it remains to be in progress right now. Okay, remains to be in progress. If this is truly a WXY, then that means it's a double zigzag in which you have you got, this is a flat right here, or a zigzag. I mean, depends on how you label this. It can be labeled as a flat as well. This is, you know, like an ABC, EBC, and then 5 waves, right? So you have a W, X, and then now looking for another another zigzag. So, right, you want to have a 5 ways down to end the A, right? To end the A. So this 5 ways in the red is going to end the A in the blue, and then you will have a B bounce to correct the 5 waves, and then you have another leg lower again afterwards, like this, right? So potentially, if this is truly a WXY in the larger degree, that suggests Bitcoin is going to be correcting more, right? A larger degree correction. You can see if the Y is equal to the W, we can go, I mean, we can go as low as even 7,400, right? That's when the Y is going to be equal to the W. So we can go to 7,400, which is 30% drop from where we are. Now, in order for this view though to be valid, we do need to break below this W. Now, unless we really break below the W, technically the view has not been validated, and we can rally again like this, right? But judging by the fact that the move seems to be impulsive, that possibility is definitely there, that we can eventually break this and then create a double. That's what we call a double correction, WXY, and then we can extend lower to around 7,400. But remember, will only get validated when it breaks below the W. All right. Now, what about the shorter cycle sort of alternate? Well, in the alternate scenario here, there could be many different things, right? Alternate can be many different things. Now, this rally here, for example, it doesn't have to be wave 4. It can be doing something else. But the sort of the main takeaway here is this level. Now, as long as this level, which is your X here, as long as this level is holding, right? As long as that level is holding, we can see for the downside, and then we can use this template as a as a guideline how we can expect this to unfold, right? I mean, this can, for example, can be ending here either on the A or W, doesn't matter, and then already doing a bigger bounce, but that doesn't really change the fact. Even if we do a bigger bounce here, for example, that doesn't change the fact that um, as long as we stay below here, still possible another leg lower. But remember, like I said, we'll only get validated, the view is gonna get validated once we break below here, which is this 9,049. So unless this really breaks, this can be, this can rally, this can rally like this. All right, so that's the update, guys, for today. And if you like this video, you can always check our service we have for the industry trial. We will provide an update for you guys for 3 times a day in the 1-hour chart from the Bitcoin, so we will be able to know if this this structure remains valid or not. We can keep updating you guys. Now I know that this is only just one update for you guys, for the public, because it's for non-members, right? But members will be able to follow this structure here and this idea to see if they remain to be valid, right? If it is not valid or anything like that, we will provide an update very quickly in the member area. All right, so I'll see you all again next week, and have a nice day, everyone.